Do you ever get locked at your house? Well, me too. I was walking home one day and realized I lost my key. But good thing I got my exploding gum. Exploding gum is scientifically proven to be safe enough to throw at your friends and not die. Even though it might not taste the greatest. Are you bored through life? Exploding gum. Got some trashy friends? Exploding gum. A fireworks show? Exploding gum. At a loss, give it a toss. Buy your exploding gum today. Only $3 and free shipping. Call now at 1-800-GUM.
Good thing I got exploding gum.
Exploding gum has scientifically been proven. Need a pre-fireworks show?
Need a pre-fireworks show? Need a pre-fireworks show?